FYI, useful Excel accounting functions. Excel offers a variety of accounting functions that can be useful for managing financial data and performing calculations. Here's a list of some commonly used Excel accounting functions. 1. Sum adds up a range of values. 2. Average calculates the average of a range of values. 3. Count counts the number of cells that contain numbers in a range. 4. Counta counts the number of cells that are not empty in a range. 5. Min finds the minimum value in a range. 6. Max finds the maximum value in a range. 7. Round rounds a number to a specified number of decimal places. 8. If performs a logical test and returns a value based on the result. 9. VLOOKUP searches for a value in the leftmost column of a table and returns a corresponding value from a specified column. 10. LOOKUP searches for a value in the top row of a table and returns a corresponding value from a specified row. 11. PMT calculates the periodic payment for a loan or investment based on constant payments and a constant interest rate. 12. PV calculates the present value of an investment or a loan based on a constant interest rate and a series of future payments. 13. FV calculates the future value of an investment or a loan based on a constant interest rate and a series of payments. 14. NPV calculates the net present value of a series of cash flows. 15. Calculates the internal rate of return of a series of cash flows. 16. COMIP calculates paid between two periods of a loan. 17. COMPRIN calculates the cumulative principal paid between two periods of a loan. 18. Date creates a date from specified year, month, and day values. 19. EA month returns the last day of the month before or after a specified number of months. 20. Network days calculates the number of working days between two dates, excluding weekends and specified holidays. These are just a few examples of the accounting functions available in Excel. Excel also offers financial, statistical, and mathematical functions that can be useful for various accounting and financial analysis tasks.